Hi, I'm Anmol.
And this is Vidisha.
This is the first time we're starting a YouTube channel,
And our very first video is going to be on Valentine's Day.
and it's just around the corner. And we're going to be showing you some really cool outfit ideas to wear on Valentine's,
And cute ways in which you can decorate your room.
and one DIY gift idea which you can give your boyfriend/girlfriend.
So go ahead and watch the video.
Hope you enjoy it. So if you're a pro Valentine Day person, you'd want to dress up and impress your date. And red is definitely the color for Valentine's Day. So here we have a dress from Forever 21 which is skin fit and full sleeves. If you're a person who doesn't want to show much skin, you can always go for this dress. It's sexy at the same time elegant. And it's also very simple. It has a very nice back to it which has a cross on top of it, which gives it a very nice look. So this was the first outfit idea. Outfit 1 and 2 are for people who want to celebrate their Valentine's Day with their boyfriends. Now this outfit here is a very casual outfit. It's a crop top and shorts. This crop top, as you can see, is the same one which we have made. They've got these really nice, cute, adorable cap sleeves which give it a very nice, cute look. We've paired it up with a pair of denim shorts which give it a very nice, sexy look. So yeah, here's an outfit number 3. So we made this pillow, and it's a very inexpensive way to decorate the room for Valentine's Day and spice it up a little bit more.
So for this pillow, all you needed is like a normal pillow, a plain white pillow cover to paint on. I, not being a very creative person, decided to go with a plain simple hat. And all I did was take a printout of whatever shape you want from the internet. I took this hat, you cut it out from inside, so you have the outside line. You paste the paper on the pillow cover and you tape it up. I took this sponge, take this really thick sponge so it doesn't get spoiled while painting. Cut out a bit, put in the paint that you want and dab it onto it, and there you have the perfect shape.
We also made one more pillow where I have written love over it. Because when you think of Valentine's Day, all you think of is love. So I chose the word love and wrote over it. And I've also used these cute little hearts surrounding it to make it look, filling it up a little bit. And you can use any word of your choice like believe, faith, etc. I've used love. We also use these vibrant shades of pinks and reds, which even you can use and get at any stationery store nearby.
And we found this really amazing, this vibrant pink color, fluorescent pink as you can see, and it was just really adding a really nice glow and a really good different effect to the paint. So we decided the hat. So we decided to
and
use
it's really
this.
standing out. We also made these glitter jars, which are really glittery and nice and girly, with heart shapes on it. And we were inspired for this from Bethany Mota. Thank you. And
We've also made this really adorable crop top. It goes like this. So as you can see, what we've done is we've taken a plain white t-shirt and cut it up to the whatever length we want.
and we've used these. अरे यार.
And as you can see, we made this really adorable crop top, and it's so simple. All we have to do is we took this really plain white t-shirt with any kind of sleeves that you want. We cut it to the length, like the length of a crop top or whatever length that you want.
And we used this really thick paper. We cut heart shapes on it and used this sponge and just cut it and put it behind it. And we used it as stamps, so it was really convenient for us to paint over it. And yeah, so here it is. because painting with paintbrushes is really inconvenient and messy. So we use these stamps to paint it. Hope you like these ideas, and if you like this video then please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button right below.
And please continue watching our videos. I hope you like this one. Thank you.
Thank you.